Hello everyone, this is Triple T, and today I'm taking a look at Transformers Legacy Dragstrip. And this little car really looks good. As usual with Hasbro products, he only has plastics in him, no rubber or die cast whatsoever. But still, look at the detailing. And of course, the official insignia. Rolling wheels. Falling down wheels. Visible head syndrome, but it's turned the other way, so I guess that's okay. The engine is painted really well. He looks kind of strange here, but still it works, I must say. And this is what he looks like from above. And this is what he looks like from beneath. And the robot is quite well hidden, except for the face, or head, rather. He comes with two guns, and they look quite similar. But nice painted here. I like this purple, really nice. And on one side you have these pegs, and on this side you have the ports, so you can actually connect them together like that and make a double gun. I haven't tested if he can hold them, but we will get to that soon. But they are really nice, actually. Really nice. Well done, Hasbro. And for comparison, let's bring in Breakdown. And they don't really scale, but they still look very nice together. I know that this is a remold from Wild Rider, but still, he looks okay, and they look good together. He doesn't really have any articulation in this mode. You can fold this down, and of course the wheels go round and round, but otherwise I think that's it for car mode. And as I keep saying, all these combiners are triple changers somewhat, and this can make an arm. But the only thing you can do to make this into an arm is just to split it in half, and you do that actually when you peg this into the arm, because there's a button in here and that will split them apart. I can press it to split him, but I don't think I have such a small tool at my disposal. So we'll go straight to transforming him into robot mode. You fold the feet down. It's the easiest way to start. You split the legs so you can bend the thighs outward and lock them into place, like so. You can split the legs now, and half of him is done. We come to the upper part, we loosen this, we turn it around, like so. We push this piece up to loosen the arm from the body, the same on the other side. And now we split these parts out and as far down as they will go. Fold this wheel piece up like that, and this outer section upwards. The This has to be down as well. And before we tap everything in, we have to get his head out and use this double hinge here to get him down. It's quite stiff, or at least that's my excuse for not doing it correctly. You can angle these backwards if you want to, like so, or have them just stick out. I think they look better this way, but that's my personal opinion. Let's look at the detail in robot mode. The head is really nice. If I can get my camera to focus, thank you. Really nice head. A lot of silver and red, and there's little cute ears of his. You can see the engine on his chest. Oh, I forgot to turn around, sorry. I always do that. Nice hip region, looks good. A bit on the loose side, but that's because he separates in combine mode. A bit of molding details here and generic ports. No real heel action here, but he doesn't need it. It works anyway. A lot of screwing here. A lot of screwing has been going on, but it still works. And for articulation, his head can turn all the way around, forward. And if we get rid of these, the arm can do a 360. It can go out to there. You have a bicep rotation, and you can get his arms about 90 plus degrees, I would say. Fairly well for a bot this size. You have a waist rotation. His legs can go forward, do a high kick. They can go back, do a back high kick or whatever. And of course, he can do the full. Are you with me? Van Damme! Okay. His knees, get him about 90 degrees. His feet go to the side like this, so you get a pivot, which is nice, but you can't really fold them upwards, just backwards due to transformation, but it works. It still works. And of course, you can put his guns in his little hands, and he can go shooting Autobots to his heart's content. Boom, 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 boom. A pa-choo, pa-choo, or whatever sound you like to make. And for comparison, here is Breakdown again in his robot mode, and they're about the same height. And these hips are not nice. You can see the metal peg in there, and that just makes everything look kind of cheap. But it works, and they look good together. A bit more backpack on this one. I don't want to be here. So, for my final thoughts about this robot. He's good. Whenever a Hasbro or Takara does a robot outside of the Masterpiece series, I tend not to buy them because they feel a bit too plasticky, but I get why. I get why. They're supposed to be in a cost range that parents can afford and keep the franchise alive, and I am happy and thankful to Hasbro and Takara Tomy for that. if I judge him by that premise, he's amazing. If I judge him by a masterpiece premise, he's not that good. So I'll stay with the first premise. He is well made, the engineering is kind of fun, the transformation is fun, it doesn't take too much effort to get him to do whatever you want him to do. You can pose him, he's really poseable actually. As always with Takara Tomy and Hasbro, the transformation is fun and easy, so a big plus for that. And I can hint, he looks really good in combined mode with his other Stunticon partners, and we will see that down the line in another video. So if you can get hold of this and you don't want a masterpiece, I strongly recommend this one and the entire set, I think, because just like the Seda toys, the individual parts are so and so, but the combined mode is just epic. But I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, take care.